update. I have some floor space. Front half is doing okay. Now it's the back half, and it's all full of freaking stuff of my girl's dad's and my girl's mom's stuff and my girl's stuff, and they have this thing where they just feel the need to pick things up off the side of the street because they think it's useful, or it will be eventually. They're like little garbage hoarders. So I gotta figure out how to get rid of all that discreetly or without hurting the feelings. A lot of garbage, but it's progress. It's been like 3 hours. Keep going another 3 hours. We'll see how it looks. I'll keep the time lapse. I'll move it inside so it doesn't look so. Maybe I'll do like an angle pointing inside, me clearing out the rest of this, and then I'll put it back outside when I start putting stuff back in. Just go from there. Okay, so it's been a couple days. I didn't film the end of the video after I finished that day because someone had hit my car on the street. So I was a little frustrated by that, so I needed to just go do something else. Anyway, as you can see here, this side of the garage is open. I have access to my tools, and we got scrap parts, camping stuff for the summer, and spare tires, and so I have room to walk around, room to work, right? Which it's gonna work for what I'm trying to do for now. So the next little bit will just be me organizing the tools and also finding a home for everything. So that'll take a bit, but I'll see you guys in the next one.